Alright guys, if you remember the day we put one pill in this box and put it back together, customer overdriven it or whatever, I don't know what happened, SWRs, overdrive, whatever. Anyway, we put one pill in it, put it back together for him, and he blowed another pill. So I got pulling all the pills out, checking them out when he sent it back this time. There they are. The ones that are completely bad is going to have an X on them. The others are all like HFE around 9, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11. I wasn't happy with them. That's why we changed them. So what we did is we put y'all brand new pills in here. I'll take you a walk through it so you can see my work. My solder. Change that resistor. But got you up and going. Just remember to keep your dead key down, man. On this box right here, 250 max dead key out. And keep your SWR below 1.3. You can swing up to 200 in it with no problem. But be careful with it, man. These pills don't come cheap. But she should be fixed back just as good as she was the day she was brand spanking new. And I'm gonna send your old pills and stuff back to you. Alright, we'll start out radio drive. Input tune. Worldwide 0. Output tune. Worldwide little nothing. 1000 watt slug PP radio driven. Worldwide. She done about worldwide about 290. Alright. We're gonna kick our little driver on. I'll turn the driver on and show you what we're gonna put into it. This will be our drive, 1000 watt slug. Worldwide, we're gonna put 200 peak into it. And keying really low, worldwide. That's the way it needs to be. Turn him on. 5 watt reverse. Worldwide. Still less than a watt. Worldwide's real good. 1000 watt slug, average power. Worldwide. Just beating on the corner. 1, 2, worldwide. 2500 watt PEP. Worldwide, don't get over. Worldwide. She's showing about 2250. Worldwide. Get on down. Worldwide. Now with no fans, so you know I got faith in her. But there she is, she's up and running. Fixed, everything looks real good. Nothing's getting hot. She's good to go. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10-018 Beavis. Catch you later, bye bye.